how to cancel Kayak travel alert subscription. So in here, the very first thing that you guys should do is, of course, get into your kayak.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. You can tap on the profile icon right here, and then you can either choose any of those platforms in order to log into your account, or if you've created your account manually, you can get into your email, add in your credentials and log in. After successfully logging into your account, you can again tap on that same profile icon, and when you're logged in, you'll actually be able to get into your account settings, where you'll be able to see the option of trips and price alert. Simply tap on that trips and price alert option, then you can locate the active alerts you want to disable, and then you can toggle off or click on delete alerts, which usually have the trash icon, in order to cancel your emails. And just like that, you'll successfully be able to cancel your Kayak travel alert subscription. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.